Happy Leap Day! If it happens to also be your birthday, happy birthday! One of our friends in the community at Facebook, it's her birthday. Probably more of you, it might be your birthday. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Every 4 years, you just get to have a birthday. It's crazy. She said she's 17. So that's pretty nice. So what do you do? I'm Pat Sloan on your free day of the year. It's free. We never had this day. Well, we had it 4 years ago. Uh, so I like to do things that are enjoyable, things that are like fun. Like I'm not writing patterns today. I'm sewing stuff. Happens to be work stuff, but it's still sewing stuff, so that's good. I also managed to get the parts for the Shamrock Table Runner all cut, and I even did the stems. So that is the Table Runner kit that I just had to get. That came. Let me show you. There we go. This is here's the pattern. Yeah, the Feeling Lucky. Yeah, that one. I'll link it to you below here if you want to get one. I think there's still a few left. They're just in the kit, but I wanted to cut it all up because I have the 4 patches done. And so today my goal was to get the rest of this cut, because even though I'm working on work projects and I am machine quilting them, so it's not really as easy to do the patchwork in between machine quilting because I got a different foot on the machine and everything. I'm free motioning right now, but I'm going to be changing feet, and when I do, I'll do a few of these, and I'll get the shamrocks made, and then that way I can move it along, because tomorrow is March, and that means it's the start of my crazy quilty March event. So it's going to be my first annual in March. Every year I will be doing a video a day with a prompt, and I have a quilty March calendar, the crazy quilty March. So you can go and download the calendar, which has 31 prompts. And so the prompts are what I'll do every day. When I'll do a video every single day in March, and then I will also have some little chatter in the comments and things like that. I might do some lives. If it's a fireside chat day, that's the evening. So it's a long video. So I will have a picture in the morning with the prompt and what you're supposed to do. Now they're not when you download the calendar, they're not laid out specifically. It's just sort of like a guideline. And then it's a mystery, so that every day you check in and I will tell you exactly what the prompt is for the day. And so they're fun. You're not making stuff. It might tell you to work on a UFO one day, that might be a prompt, but it's not like you have to start a new project unless you want to. They're really geared to be motivational, geared to be things to think about with your space, to think about with your quilting, in some aspect of it. Just 31 days for us to think about our craft every single day. I just love that idea. My word of the year is being intentional. And so I think that this is very intentional for us to do something together to celebrate quilting. It's also International Quilt Month, and International Quilt Day is in March. And so there's a lot of super fun things going on, which I'm going to show you and tell you about. It's super exciting. So I love you. Thank you for being here. If you're not in my Facebook community, please come on over. We have a really good time. Otherwise, you can watch for these videos on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And then whenever I do a post, I will be plugging them in there too over at my blog if it makes sense, especially on fireside chat days. So there you go. Love you. See you later.